Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download or install any website as an app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install any website as an app on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Microsoft Edge browser. Reminder guys, you can't use any other web browser, you must only use Microsoft Edge in order for this to work. But if you don't have a Microsoft Edge, you can download it on Chrome easily. Just search for Microsoft Edge download and then you will now be able to find the website where you can download it. And once you already have your Microsoft Edge, just go and open it. And once you're on your Microsoft Edge, next, I want you to go to the website that you want to install as an app, so just search the name of the website right here. In my case, I want to install the YouTube website as an app, so I will just search YouTube. And after searching, you will now be able to see the website, just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So now that you're on the website, let me now show you how you can download it as an app. So to do that, first, I want you to click this 3 dots right here. And then select the apps option. And after that, you will now be able to see the install button for the website. This will install the website as an app, so just go and click it. And then click the install button. And after clicking it, it's done. The website app will now be installed. And by the way guys, you might notice that even after installing the website as an app, you might still not find it on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, just go back to the app. And once you're on the app, I want you to click this 3 dots right here. And then select App Settings. And then for the last step, just click this Create a Desktop Shortcut button to add the app to your desktop home screen. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, the website app will now be on your desktop home screen. By the way guys, this method also works on most websites, so you can do this method on any website that you want to install. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.